One of the major challenge in this preparation journey is getting the right resources. Okay, you will get a lot of resources. There is no doubt in that. You will get a lot of resources, but right resources is really important. And if you have many resources for a particular topic, then that is also problematic. You should be able to understand the topic first, and then you go for updating your knowledge. Absolutely fine, but make sure that you understand the concept clearly. Then you, for updations, you can actually choose other resources. Absolutely fine. Okay, so here in I'm the academic head at IPM IAS Academy. So here we are offering a program which is this UPSC Civil Services examination, and it is one of the most affordable course in India. And we would like to give 10 times the value that the money that you're actually giving us. You would like to give that 10 times value. And according to your study techniques, according to your time frame, according to your convenience, you will be able to study these concepts very clearly. In a slow and steady manner, you will be able to study. Let me show you the screenshot of how these classes will go. So we will be having free sessions. Okay, we will be having exactly study plans for you. In each study plan, that means it is actually coming in weeks, and each week you will be having study topics. And here in the economic part, you will be able to see the contents. You will be able to see how the contents are actually given. It is not a 1 hour or a 2 hour lecture. It is very topic specific. So you can actually understand the topic really well. So let me show you the content here. So these are some of the courses available. So here you can see a lot of courses which are of high value, that is prelims 2026 course. Some of the students are already there, so you don't need to worry about this particular course also, because this course is already included in the 2026 course. Okay, but this course is really crucial, that is the UPSC Civil Service examination. And I will tell you the content section. Once you are going to the content sections, you can see there are free sessions. First free sessions is for you to watch, okay, whether this is the right thing for me, whether they have the quality or not, whether they are providing good quality materials or not, or their teaching skill is really good or not. You can actually check through this free session. It is already available there. Now we have the strategies, because as a beginner you need to have a strategy. So now I was telling to you about the strategy for selecting the right optional, but here this is for the entire examination. So how the exam, understanding the exam in detail, understanding the syllabus, importance of positive mindset, setting goals, understanding foundation, how to read NCERT, how to read newspaper, how to manage your time, understanding general study subjects, that means decoding the subjects, then overcoming the exam fear, understanding PYQs, and then the most important aspect, how to learn that part, that is the learning skill development. Then another important area is the study plan. Okay, so you can see that more than 800 videos are there in the study plan. So we always start our study plans or our studies from the foundation itself. So if you look at week 1, what all things you need to study? First, you need to set your goal and set your mindset. That is the most important or the prominent thing that you need to do. So these are some of the lectures there. Set your goals, mindfulness, self-regulation, learning skill. So once you go through it, you are set. Okay, your mindset is clear regarding how to prepare for this. Now you need to go through the NCERT. In the first week, you will be going through the class 6 NCERT classes. So here you can see the class 6 NCERT classes, right? So it's only 11 minutes, 10 minutes, or 19 minutes. This is how the classes are arranged, which means you don't need to wait for hours. Okay, you have economic classes. Okay, this is the first week. These are the things you need to finish in the first week. That is most important. Like that, we have every week you will be having subjects. Week 2, week 3, week 4, like that, around 26 weeks are there. In 26 weeks, you will be able to finish the entire study materials. Suppose if you are going through the week 8, okay, these are advanced. After you finish all your NCERT classes, you will be going through the advanced classes. So here, history advanced classes are there. So it's actually starting from 60, which means all the other classes were there in the previous weeks. 60, 61, rulers and administration, then Pallavas, then Chalukyas, Sangam age, Chola, Sangam society, Rajaputana, then Palas, Rashtrakuta. So these are the things that you need to complete in that particular week. Okay, so this is all in order only. Then coming to the economy classes, these are all advanced classes. That is history of taxation in India, meaning of tax, direct tax, indirect tax, goods and services tax, banking system, commercial bank, reserve bank. All these things, if you look at, you can see the duration also, 6 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 27 minutes, 13 minutes, 14 minutes, which means it is all topic specific. That is the most important aspect. These are all topic specific. If you follow it in the right manner, no? If you're actually following it, then that will really help you. So like that, all the subjects, all the general studies subjects are actually covered in this one. Okay, and it is having more than 1,000 videos, short and 1,200 short and specific videos are there, topic specific videos, which actually help you to cover the entire civil service preparation journey. So these are all regarding the general studies part. Okay, now if you look at geography, I can show you. These are some of the geography concepts: geomorphology, plate tectonics, then interior of the earth, then lithosphere, earth, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks. All those aspects are actually covered. So the most important element here is, like I've already told you, we would like to provide 10 times value for your money. Okay, you won't be able to find a course like in this price. So the most important aspect is we would like to give quality training at affordable price. So here you can actually see that the entire course price is 12,000 only, and that too, if you're finding it difficult, you will be able to pay in 2 different installments. Okay, so once you pay the money, you will get the entire course. The first installment itself, you will get the course. Then after that, 1 month after first payment, you can actually make the second payment, and for 1 year you can simply go through these studies, and the current affairs will keep on be adding in this particular section, the current affairs part. You can see it here, the current affairs section. Okay, after study plan, it is completely current affairs only. See, these are all current affairs topics: World Bank, LICO, Tiger, Preventive Detention, Buddhist Council, G7 countries, like that. More than 200 current affairs concepts are already there, and it will keep on adding. Okay, current affairs is dynamic, so it will be keep on adding for you. Okay, so this is regarding the course. So you can always go and purchase this course. One thing that you need to do is you can actually download IPM IAS app, IPM IAS app. In the app, you will be able to get the courses, or in our YouTube channels, no, you can actually go to the IPM IAS application. The links are already available there. Okay, you can go and buy that. Okay.